got the endpoints all set up. Got the sub trim set. Antenna's mounted. Want us to check it out, Augie?
Yeah. I'll do it myself.
No, you're not doing it yourself. Not with this remote.
I'll do it.
No. All right, folks. So I got an awesome package here from A-Main. And then I got 2 cases from Harbor Freight. I don't know which one's going to fit better, but we're going to see. This is their second smallest case at Harbor Freight. And then this is their third smallest. Or this is like their mid-range, and this is their almost smallest case. So let's go ahead and pop this sucker open and see what we got. Got the EB48.4 back there. Looky here. I ordered this sucker Friday. They're so fast. The box is smaller than I expected. Anyhow, let's see what else I got in the box here. Save 10% on your next order. That's awesome. Alright. Cool. Let's look at the box here. Sanwa M17. That is their flagship model. It just came out not too long ago. And it should be the updated version. I read online that it looked like some of them needed updated. Another little box in there. And this little box. And open this up. Get rid of that. Always save your boxes. I save all my boxes for everything. Got a nice pink little wrapper. There it is, folks. And it comes with covers, screen protectors as well. Boom. Feels awesome. Really feels nice in my hand. It's definitely a little heavier. There's the handle. That's a nice looking screen right there. So let's see which one of these cases. I'm not going to bore you with a lot of this other stuff. I do want to look at the receiver because I heard that it's very small. You get a bunch of extra goodies. You can change your spring rates, which I'll probably do. Ooh, that spring don't feel bad in the trigger, but I definitely like a little stiffer spring, so I might put a stiffer spring in there. I'm sure you have all kinds of different stuff. Man, that's a nice. Been playing with this thing for a while. And I'm pretty familiar with Sanwa radios. Here's my other old radio right here. So if you want to compare it to an MTS, and I'll probably be wrapping the grip. See, I got some grip wrap left right here. So that stuff's nice, the lizard skin MLB grip wrap. But yeah, there's the difference in size between that and the MTS. Definitely some more weight. But man, that's a nice radio. I'm pumped. Let's see what one of these cases it's going to be nicer with. But yeah, I would definitely recommend one of these Harbor Freight cases. You can get these for like $30. They were both 30 bucks actually. Just try not to drop a radio on the ground. So I'm thinking, I'm hoping the smaller one works, because that'd be just perfect. That little case there. Yeah, look at that. That'd be awesome. I'll go sideways with it. Let's turn it off. Guess you have to hold it down. So yeah, just like that. $30 Harbor Freight case, and it has the pick and pull foam, and it's waterproof. So let's get that case cut out, and I'll shoot a little video of what that looks like. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm pumped about this thing. It's supposed to be the fastest radio on the market, at least up there. Okay, say bye, car. That's the 2050 Tekin with a 15 turn, or a 15 tooth pinion. Haven't got her on a track yet. Fast? Yeah, leave in the comments if you think I should turn down the steering speed or do Expo or what y'all do with this thing. But yeah, there it is. M17. I got the heavier spring in the trigger and on the wheel. And yeah, I'm loving it. CJ Moto out. Stop. August, you're not using a gosh dang $500 remote. It ain't happening. Go play with that remote. Say bye. Say bye to everybody. Here, you can hold it. Yeah. Alright, I got this thing all set up. I got the steering wheel tilted in. I got the trigger tilted in as well. All my springs are set how I like them. Feels real nice. And then I also got this little guy set up. Check this out. Hit the trigger. Take off. Coming around, coming around, coming around. Hit the finish line. Watch this.
Lap time 6.82 seconds.
How cool is that? And then I also got this set up. If people don't like this touchscreen, they complain about it. Anyhow, you can pretty much not even use this touchscreen if you don't want to. Watch this. So there's my menu. Then I got this dial set up to toggle through everything. You want to get into settings, you just click down there again. And you can mess around with all your rates and everything. Got my 30% Expo set up. And then you hit this little button up here to go to your Expo. 30% throttle Expo. I'm just going to trying some experiments with Expo. And then back out. And then another fancy little screen this thing has. You click this wheel again right here. Look at this guy. Real-time data. It's kind of cool. If you want to see what your Expo's doing and stuff, you got your data. Make sure your throttle's working good. Full 100. Anyhow, just tons of stuff this thing can do. Let's go back. You got your temperature there, ambient temperature, your time, date, lap time. Let's click another lap. Let's go back. Click another lap.
Lap time 88.82 seconds.
Looks like maybe she doesn't do minutes. I'll have to figure that part out. Alright, CJ Moto out.